I originally decided to order VUDECO wooden jigsaw puzzles because I saw the beautiful designs and colors that came in this puzzle. But once I got it, I was blown away by the quality of the pieces as well as the unique shapes. Look how cute the animal shapes are. I thought this was very neat, and it kept me interested the entire time. This really is an exquisite jigsaw puzzle. It's so much fun, and it's also very challenging. I believe this would be a delightful gift choice. Also, it can make a super cute decor piece for your home. I do have to say, the challenge was definitely worth it. This uniquely designed puzzle was absolutely stunning when it's finished. You need one, for sure.